Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm excited to unbox the March 2021 Witch's Moon box. Yes, I'm late. Sorry, not sorry. Let's check it out. I have seen some spoilers of this, but I haven't really been paying attention. Unicorn, so I did know that. Very, very cute. I collect these. Very excited about that. I attract prosperity and abundance. Ooh, I sure hope so. Love that. All right, we've got my fortune here. Very, very, very beautiful. Love this. Partnership. Teamwork will give you better result. Find trustworthy people to partner with. Build up a talented support team. That has been like my main advice for a lot of major things this year. I definitely see that. The golden unicorn. So we're going to come back to that. Golden Aurora, I think. God, I'm sorry. It does smell good. It smells golden, very citrusy. I think it says golden aurora or aura. Golden aura, I think is what it says. I love bath salts. As soon as I can take a bath again, I will be doing that. Golden unicorn. Ooh, that is nice. It's got like a spicy kind of scent. I love that. I can't wait to use it to make candles. Sweet wood, cinnamon, bay leaf, of course. Bay leaf's really good. This is very good, like abundance stuff. Orange peel. All really nice goodies. Love it. I've got a beautiful, I want to say it's a citrine. Not sure, but I will definitely read about it. Let's look at our candle. Got a beautiful, just nice golden yellow, yummy, yummy beeswax candle. We've got our golden light incense, which I like. And then let me just double check. Ooh, it's heavy. What else we got going on here? And then let me just put this aside. Oh, we have, ooh, heavy, a unicorn. Pretty. Very heavy, very nice. Very nice. I'm gonna put that here. Okay, and then move some items so that everything is in frame, so that when I start talking about things, I'm just going to go bop, 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 bop. There we go. All right, let's read this stuff. Upon much effort and commitment, we tend to the bountiful fields of life, sowing seeds that may bear wonderful fruits. During a season where we open ourselves up to the blessings of the coming sun, we rely on our ability to set intentions and adjust our perceptions so that prosperity and abundance may be drawn towards us, called upon and delivered. Not only do we set these intentions and give power to the words spoken, we exist in accordance to the path that leads to these blessings. Only through the understanding of how to live, speak, and practice through our craft can we become truly empowered to bring manifestations into real existence. In this strikingly beautiful and magical collection, we call upon these energies to bring positive change to our reality and to those that may need it most. So a brass golden unicorn. So it goes on about unicorns. I'm not really going to read all of that, especially since the kids decided to play right outside the window. But that's what life is. So, Unicorn Book of Shadows artwork, which we saw there. The Prosperity and Abundance sigil artwork. Love that. The hand-rolled Golden Path spell candle. Purpose of attracting prosperity into your life associated with wealth, success, and enlightenment. The color gold is commonly used to uplift and bring confidence into the spirit. I will definitely be using that on the new moon in Taurus. That's an excellent time for prosperity magic. The Golden Unicorn Magical Anointing Oil. This intention of attracting prosperity and abundance into your life. In addition, this oil is a powerful provider of confidence and self-esteem during times of unease. As you anoint yourself, magical tools, or jewelry, visualize a golden glow slowly appearing as almost as if to sparkle and shine. Know that this visualization correlates with the energy field that surrounds you. So it has sweet orange and clove oils, and clove, marigold, and cinnamon. Inside your oil, you will find a Lumarian quartz, and it also has a little bit of Nature's Glow magical oil from their personal cabinet of witchery. Golden Aura sacred salt. It has lemongrass and rosemary oils with rosemary and marigold herbs. Very nice. It's also got a little bit of money draw magical oil, so very nice. Golden light ritual incense sticks. Promote prosperity and wealth. Tumbled citrine, very good. Great addition for any prosperity working. Sweetwood is cinnamon, orange peel, and bay leaf. Personalized oracle reading from the Oracle of Unicorns, which is very pretty. And parchment paper. So I'm very pleasantly surprised. I love Witch's Moon. Don't get me wrong. That's not why I'm pleasantly surprised. It's just that I am absolutely really excited to use all of these things pretty soon, because not my favorite, but one of my favorite new moons of the year is definitely the new moon in Taurus. And I definitely want to set some prosperity and abundance workings into action at that point, so I'm really excited to use these tools. I will leave the link to the Witch's Moon in the description below. You guys know that I've gotten this box for quite some time. I still love it. Always something different. I have never gotten the same theme twice. So definitely check them out. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I so appreciate connecting with you today, and I hope you have a good day.